Ni mutongoria wa bururi wa South Korea Park Geun-hye thutha wake gwikinyia guku bururi-ini. Akinya amukirirwo ni President Uhuru Kenyatta thingira-ini wa iregi. Ta mutugo riria mutongoria wa bururi ungi acera ahurirwo baruti 21 na thutha ucio aheo gitio ni mbiraru cia bururi. Thutha ucio atongoria acio eri ni magiire na miario yoria manginyitanira hari wonjoria ona gutwarithia bururi na mbere.
Indeed, as you know, Kenya and Korea established diplomatic relations all the way back in 1964, the dawn also of our independence. And since then, we have enjoyed excellent relations. And these relations have been sustained by shared principles and close cooperation, both at a bilateral and also at a multilateral level.
Guku bururi-ini kuri kabuni iria kihumo giacio ni bururi wa South Korea ni hamwe na kabuni ya Samsung, LG na kabuni ya gari ya Hyundai. Muthenya wa rucio Geun-hye ni akanyitanira na Akenya kiharo-ini kia Abraham mwena wa Naikuru mabura-ini ma gukungwira madaraka. Agukorwo guku bururi-ini gwa kahinda ga thikũ 3. Nake mutongoria wa bururi wa Turkey niwe Recep Tayyip Erdogan ni atanyitwo gwikinyia guku bururi-ini muthenya wa rucio. Onake atanyitwo guikara kahinda ga thikũ 3. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Guku.